Hello, good morning, good afternoon. So today we will be talking about Oracle Cloud Free Tier. So as you know, many of the hyperscalers they are giving you some free services for you for a testing on a limited time, right? But here the difference with Oracle Cloud is always free tier. So here you will see as something very different from other hypervisor. So what Oracle differentiator is something like they are providing you a free tier like a $300 credit for first 30 days. So in this tier you can able to test your application. You can have a first touch on OCI. After that, if you feels okay, this is something like what I am looking for, you can switch to a pay as you go. We call it as pay-G, and on a monthly basis, how much you consume, you can pay. But here is the catch. So you can see here some of the services listed here, right? So you can see document understanding, vision, speech, etc. Right? So these are all trial. So which means that the trial means that is available in this 300 USD credit for first 30 days. And here you can see something like always free. So what it means always free? So here I can have use a filter. So if you sign up for OCI Cloud, you can utilize 2 AMD VMs. Okay, so each VM having 1/8 of OCPU with 1 gig of memory. Okay, so you can have one Apex instance. Okay, so you have network load balancer, outbound data transfer 10 TB free per month. So you can see what are the different services, including monitoring, heat wave, NoSQLs. So this is pretty much good for a person to have a lifelong free trial, right? So this is one of the peculiarity of OCI in terms of when giving to end users for a free subscriptions. So below down you can see here FAQs, so you will understand what is free tier, what are the services that is available in free tier, or who is eligible. So just go through this. So this will be something like a starting point for you for getting hands-on touch with OCI. So I will show you how to sign up. So here or here you can have an option for sign up. So when you click here, again you are not a cloud account, right? So this is the first time, so you need to do sign up. So it will ask you some basic informations like your country, your first name, last name, email, verifications. So once you did this, of course it will ask for a credit card. So again, the credit card options that is available based on your country of residence, it may vary. I saw some countries they are okay for accepting debit card as well as credit card. So again, it will Oracle Cloud will deduct $1 from your account just for authorization purpose. It will not take any of the amount unless you are considering give a consent saying that you need to go for a page. So once you fill all these details, next page you will see your credit card informations, all good, all safe, and wait for some time for getting a welcome email. So what you need to understand is like cloud account name. So this should be unique, and here you can see what it is, right? So when you sign up for an OCI account, you need a cloud account. This is called tenant. So this will be a unique name. So your account will be named under this tenant name. Okay, so let's try, and let me know if you face any kind of challenges. You can contact me in the comment section. Okay, thank you.